Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top operating systems of 2025. We're talking sleek interfaces, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features. Let's see which ones are leading the pack. From desktops to smartphones, the race to innovate is fierce. We've got some familiar faces and some newcomers shaking things up. Whether you prioritize productivity, security, or a seamless user experience, we'll break down the contenders vying for a spot on your devices. Get ready to explore the exciting world of operating systems and discover the future of digital interaction. Let's get started. First up, we have Windows 11. Now, this is a familiar name for most of us. It's been a couple of years and Microsoft has been hard at work refining the formula. The biggest talking point, performance. Windows 11 is known for being resource-intensive, but this latest iteration feels snappier and more efficient, even on older hardware. We're talking faster boot times, smoother multitasking, and improved battery life on laptops. They've also made some tweaks to the user interface. Remember all those rounded corners and translucent menus? They're still there, but they've been refined for a cleaner, more modern look. And gamers, listen up. Windows 11 continues to push the boundaries of gaming performance with features like direct storage delivering incredibly fast load times. Next, we're heading over to the Apple ecosystem with macOS Monterey. As always, Apple has a strong focus on security and privacy, and this year is no exception. macOS Monterey introduces advanced anti-malware and anti-phishing features to keep your data safe and sound. They've also doubled down on user privacy, giving you more control over which apps can access your camera, microphone, and location. But it's not just about security. Monterey also boasts a redesigned Safari browser that's faster and more energy efficient. Plus, they've improved integration with other Apple devices, making it even easier to switch between your Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Chapter 3, Ubuntu 22.04 - the Open-Source Powerhouse. Now let's talk about Ubuntu 22.04. For those who love customization and flexibility, Linux distributions like Ubuntu are a dream come true. And Ubuntu 22.04 takes things to a whole new level. This release focuses on stability and long-term support, making it perfect for both everyday users and developers. They've also made significant strides in hardware compatibility, so you can run Ubuntu on a wider range of devices than ever before. Plus, with its open-source nature, you have access to a massive community of developers constantly creating and improving software. This means constant updates, new features, and a level of transparency you won't find anywhere else. Chapter 4, Android 13, the Mobile Powerhouse. Moving on to the mobile world, we have Android 13. Android has always been known for its open ecosystem and vast app library, and this version is no different. One of the biggest strengths of Android 13 is its developer support. Google has made it easier than ever for developers to create innovative and engaging apps, which translates into a richer experience for users. And with a massive global community of users and developers, Android benefits from rapid innovation and a constant stream of new features and improvements. Plus, Android 13 continues to refine its Material You Design language, giving you even more ways to personalize your device. Chapter 5, iOS 16, polished to perfection. Finally, we have iOS 16, the latest and greatest from Apple for iPhones. As expected, iOS 16 is all about refinement. Apple has taken everything we love about iOS, its simplicity, its intuitive design, and its focus on performance, and made it even better. User reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, praising the operating system's speed, stability, and the seamless integration with other Apple devices. They've also introduced some cool new features, like the ability to customize your lock screen with widgets and live wallpapers. But perhaps the biggest selling point of iOS 16 is its overall performance. Apps launch quickly, animations are buttery smooth, and the entire experience feels incredibly polished. Apple continues to set the bar high when it comes to mobile operating systems. That's it for today's rundown of the top operating systems of 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. From the powerful performance of Windows 11 to the sleek simplicity of iOS 16, the future of operating systems is looking bright. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for the best experience on your devices, there's an operating system out there for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.